Want to learn English?
I always drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning.
I sometimes go to the gym. I sometimes go to the gym. I sometimes walk to work. I sometimes walk to work. I drink water after I run. I drink water after I run.
I never eat meat. I never eat meat.
I wash my hands before I eat. I wash my hands before I eat.
I check my phone before I sleep. I check my phone before I sleep. I take a nap if I am tired. I take a nap if I am tired. If it is sunny, I go outside. If it is sunny, I go outside.
If the food is hot, I wait. If the food is hot, I wait. The coffee is hot. But the water is cold. The coffee is hot. But the water is cold.
The plane is fast, but the bus is slow. The plane is fast, but the bus is slow.
The city is loud, but the park is quiet. The city is loud, but the park is quiet.